Gann fan. Now, there are different lines in Gann fan. From the base from which you make them, the trend line of 1/1 was considered by Gann to be the most important line. If the price curve is located above the line, it is indication of a bull market. So if the price crosses the 1/1 line, it usually means that the trend is changing. If the price curve is located below this line, it is an indication of a bear run. Now, Gann thought that the ray of 1/1 is the powerful support line when the trend is ascending, and he considered the breaking of line as an important turn of signal. Now, as there are 8 different lines, what do they mean? Now, the first line means 7.5 degrees. That is, it takes 8 days to get a dollar up or to get a 1 point up. Basically, it depends on the price. It could be dollar, it could be cent, whatever the price is, but it basically means 8 days or 8 candles of, let's say you have selected an hourly candle chart. So 8 candles of hourly chart. So 8/1 means 8 days or 8 time frames slash 1 price rise. Then the second is 15 degrees. So it means 4 time frames, that is 4 days, multiply by 1, that is 1 rise of price in 4 days or 4 hours, whichever the candlestick is. Then the third line is 18.75 degrees. That's 3 time frames or 3 days or 3 hours, whichever the time frame is, and 1 price candle rise is. Then the next is 26.25 degrees, which means 2 days or 2 time frames and 1 rise for price. Then is 1/1, which is 45 degrees. That is 1 day, 1 rise. Then 1/2, which is 63.75. So it means in 1 day it rises double. Then is 1/3. So in 1 day it rises 3 times at 71.25. Then is 1/4, 75 degrees. 1 day 4 rise. Then is 1/8, 82.5 degrees. 1 day 8 rise. Now these are degrees, so it's a complete mathematical model. It's a model that is related to mathematics, and we are applying that to the price. Now Gann fan is used by professional traders along with other like strategies. However, in this course I will only focus on Gann fan. Now why am I only focusing on Gann fan? So that I can explain you each and everything of Gann fan. I will suggest you to add it in your current model. It could be a way to confirm the trend. Now, the biggest problem for traders is when the price is falling, they don't know when the curve goes up. Now, through the Gann fan, you can have an understanding it's happening. You may or may not square your position. Let's say you have a short sell position, you don't know when it will move up. You may or may not square it, but you can see what's happening. Now, ratios of price and time is the same like interval. That is, they rise in tandem. That's what Gann thought. Now, Gann noted that each of the above listed rays can serve as support or resistance depending on price trend direction. If price falls below the 1/1 line, it means a turn in trend. So if the price is rising and it breaks 1/1, a turn in trend. The 1/1 line is 45 degrees, and that's the most important degree in Gann fan trading. Thank you.